Do you know that what are those two fundamental needs that every individual wants to feel in order to help them to bond and connect with the other person? We have this core need of feeling safe and important that helps us to trust the other person and bond with them. Now there's a quote from Dale Carnegie's book which says that any fool can criticize and condemn and complain, and most of the fools do that, and that is the reason that most of the people struggle in connecting with people. But in order to make people feel safe and important, these are the three core things that if you implement, which I call as the golden triangle, people will genuinely feel safe and important in your presence. The first one is appreciation. Now appreciation, it does not only merely means going and saying them the good things, saying them how beautiful do they look, about all the good things that they are doing, but appreciation is a personal thing. Appreciation is genuinely expressing gratitude about their presence in your life, about the moments that you have shared, about the times that you have had, and about the importance that you have for them being in your life. Appreciation gives them a reason to stay. It gives them and makes them feel important about that relationship, about that position, about that role, and gives them a reason to stay because they feel appreciated. The second thing is courtesy. Now courtesy are genuine, general, pure, simple acts that come out of your heart. It could be an opening a door for someone. It could be serving them food before you take your own part. Now courtesy is something which could be clingy and cheesy for one person but cute and nice for the other person. But whatever comes genuinely from your heart in order to make the other person feel important, do it as a part, as an act of courtesy, and people will feel important if you have done it genuinely with good intentions. And the third thing, which is the core thing, which is the respect, is every individual wants to feel respected and accepted. If you can respect them for their choices, about their individuality, about their opinions, about their beliefs, is when people feel safe. Everyone runs away from the places where they know that they won't be accepted and they would be judged. But if you can accept them, respect them about their choices, is when people will feel safe, they will tell you the things, they will open up to you, and then they will start to trust you. So if you use these three things, which is appreciation, courtesy, and respect, people will start to feel safe and important in your presence, and you will have a wonderful bond along with them.